Hi, I'm Rebecca from Little Adventure Shop, and in this video I want to talk to you about the accessories you can get to go with this bottle, the kids CamelBak Eddy bottle, 0.4 litres. Okay, so we did a video a little while ago, which you can see up here, where we talked you through all the features of this bottle, and off the back of that a few of you were asking about what accessories you could get. So if your kid enjoys using the bottle and you want to replace some of the parts, there are two options. Firstly, you've got this kit, which gives you replacement straws and 2 replacement bite valves. And then also you have this kit here, which gives you a whole replacement cap, obviously with bite valve and straw as well. So let's just quickly run you through how you fit these again. So firstly, you want to take the lid off the bottle, pull out the straw and pull out the bite valve. There we go. And then if you've just got the straw and bite valve combination, we first of all would put the bite valve back in. You push it through here. It's always a little bit of a wiggle. And then grab it and pull through. Make sure this tab here points towards the back of the bottle cap, and then you know you've got it in the right place. Also worth mentioning here, when the bite valve comes, the actual hole is sealed up, so you need to give it a little wiggle. I think this one's just popped open as I've pulled it through. Sometimes it can be quite tough though, so don't worry if you need to give it a real good wiggle around to try and get that seal to open up. Once you've got the bite valve in, you just pop the straw in the back, make sure it's located nice and high up in there, and then pop it on again, and it's good to go. Okay, and then obviously if you want to use the other kit, it's basically exactly the same. You've got a replacement cap here though with the bite valve already inserted, and you just take the straw, push it in the back, and then again it's good to go. Just pop it straight on the bottle. So really handy if you just want to rotate the bite valves. One's in the dishwasher, you've got one in use on the bottle. And also if you're, like my child, decided it would be a really good idea to try and jam their paintbrush down here, just because why not? And it completely trashed the bite valve. So instead of having a replacement bottle, we just got some new bite valves and they're all good to go again. So I hope you found this video useful. If you'd like any more tips on kids outdoor gear, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. Many thanks.